Tutto nuovo.
Tutto nuovo.
Tutto bene, così
Oh, non
esplora.
volevo entrare, mi scappava da una stanza all'altra, Nito.
He's exploring. Oops, scusa. Oi, scusa. Scusa.
Nito, aspetta, mi fa fotografie di Nito. Are you sure?
Yes. Yeah. He's exploring.
Oi.
Yes. Huh?
È un po' incazzato.
Sì,
È un po' incazzato. Vediamo Valentino. Non gliene frega un cazzo a Valentino. A Valentino proprio non gliene frega. No. È territorio, papà.
So now you devo chiudere
Bisogna chiudere fuori.
Okay. Now Freyja's sniffing around and Valentino's in the bedroom. They changed places now. So she's sniffing around at his stuff. He's got his litter box there. We put it in here so that he knows where it is and everything. His food is there. Her food is there. And we'll see. Freyja, you're going to eat his... Freyja. Tu fammi ridere, Freyja. In the end, Freyja took a nap. She woke up. Valentino's been under here. Look where he is, under the sofa for hours. And Freyja seems to have forgotten all about him. She's been in and out. She eats, she goes out, and she just kind of forgot about him. He's under the sofa. Freyja seems to think that he's gone away. And Freyja's come in and out of the house, eaten and drunk some water, went out. And just didn't even notice that he's under here. Freyja came in the house, didn't even notice Valentino, just came right in, ate from his bowl, went into bed, and everything's good. And meanwhile, Valentino's still under the sofa. It's like hours later. She's tired because she's been playing outside. Hey, Freyja. It's a hard day. Didn't you know that Valentino's under the sofa? He's scared of you now. Look what you did. You're just relaxed and cute. So Valentino's just here for the day because Enrico's father's house is being painted. And, you know, it's not good for Valentino. It's a small apartment. There's two. And there's 3 guys painting all the rooms and stuff. So he came here for the day instead.